Good morning, folks. This is Robert Stevens. I'm the author of Homespun, Teaching Local History in grades 6 through 12 by Linus Learning. I want to introduce to you the book that was based on a series of history lessons and history units that I taught at Rye Junior High School in Rye, New Hampshire between 1978 and 1985. A town that this year is celebrating its 400th anniversary. It was settled in 1623, and here we are today, 400 years later. In 1990, the New England League of Middle Schools published Gavels to Gravestones, 7 middle school social studies, by the New England League of Middle Schools in 1990. 5 of those activities were based on my local history projects when I taught at Rye Junior High School. Since this time, the first publication of Gavels to Gravestones led to a second publication, Homespun, originally published in 2001, was based on my graduate work at the University of Massachusetts in Amherst, teaching at Washington College in Maryland, the 9th oldest college in the country, 2 years as a historical restoration carpenter at Strawberry Bank in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and 8 years teaching at the Rye Junior High School in Rye, New Hampshire, between 1978 and 1985. Homespun has 3 sections. The first are the teaching activities that were very successful that I used at the Rye Junior High School during that time period. They include analyzing gravestones, writing a local history, doing a family history, creating a community image, and you read about those as you read the book. The second section are history projects throughout the country that were selected because they were published in either social education or middle level learning. Some had won state awards, and others had been the presentations at state social studies council meetings, and then the third section, which I've spent a fair amount of time on, are essays that support the activities in section 1. For instance, there's a book review by Kim Michelle Richardson's book Bookwoman at Troublesome Creek. It's a story about a woman who was in the original Kentucky Library Project and became a novel, and that supports chapter 6 using community images and primary sources. I am pleased to have been able to publish this book. I'm thankful to the authors, to the editor at Linus Learning, and I hope that my interest in local history will inspire you to create lessons or units or projects similar to the ones that you'll be exposed to in this reading. Thank you very much, and good luck in your history pursuits.